How to fix Facebook Reels not loading. First, open Facebook. Tap on the Reels icon. You can see the Reels over here. If it is not loading, simply reload it. Now the Reels should start loading. If the Reel still does not load, what you can do is check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. Also try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, your problem should be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook. Long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now tap on the option Clear Cache. Now after the cache has been cleared, try loading the Reels. Your problem should be fixed. If not, uninstall the Facebook app and install the latest version. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK. After that, open the Play Store and install the latest version of Facebook. Log into your account, try watching the Reels. Now your problem should be fixed. Like this, you'll be able to fix Facebook Reels not loading. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.